Piaget is a Swiss luxury watchmaker and jeweler, known for its exquisite timepieces and jewelry creations. The Limelight collection is one of Piaget's most iconic and prestigious lines, often featuring opulent designs, intricate craftsmanship, and a fusion of high watchmaking and fine jewelry techniques. This exquisite bracelet features 600 brilliant cut diamonds that are artfully set on every link. The invisible clasp also ensures that all of your attention is on the gems and not on the clasp. Designed with a cambered form that gently fits around the wrist, the Limelight Tonneau-shaped watch is a timeless luxury watch, distinguished by its two fine paved lines on the bezel, perfectly fitting around its case. Beauty doesn't have to be painful nor hard to fit. You can wear this Limelight with full confidence. Paved from the case to the bracelet to the dial, its harmonious design offers setters the opportunity to fully express their art. If there was ever a reason to be the centerpiece of any occasion, it would be you with this timepiece. The Queen of the Night's character is strengthened by white gold Roman numerals on its dial, and its crown is set with a rose-cut diamond. This fully legible dial is decorated with 292 amazing diamonds, designed to capture everyone's attention. The term high jewelry refers to the practice of combining exceptional watchmaking expertise with exquisite gem setting and artistic craftsmanship. High jewelry watches are often characterized by their use of precious metals, rare gemstones, intricate designs, and meticulous attention to detail. These watches are not only functional timepieces but also wearable pieces of art that showcase the brand's mastery in both watchmaking and jewelry creation. Piaget uses only the finest and most exquisite gemstones in its jewelry. Whether it's diamonds, sapphires, emeralds, or other precious stones, the brand is known for its impeccable selection of top-grade gems. Piaget's fine jewelry has graced the red carpets of major events and award shows, worn by celebrities and prominent personalities. With this Limelight in your collection, the spotlight remains elegantly captivated by you. Only the best and rare timepieces, at Shiva's.